connecting to that deeper sense of why it's important
Yeah.
is the bridge.
I definitely see what you did there. That really helped, yeah.
This is going to sound strange, but I really feel like the experience of burnout is a wonderful opportunity. If you think of your brain like out-of-the-box programming, it's programmed to help us survive and thrive. So even in these moments where it feels really intense and really hard, that is your brain trying to tell you that there's something that needs your attention. So what I encourage my clients to do and what I encourage you to do at home if you're feeling this way is to tune into what it is that you really want, because that pain is trying to show you how you can best target what you want next. Get clarity in that moment of discomfort and stuckness.
I am Tarah Keech, and I'm so glad that you're here with me, because preventing burnout is the way to make sure that you can show up as your best and most elevated self in everything that you do, not just in work, but in your personal life.